He is actually headed south. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah, such a rush. Man, that's a short train today. I know the engine number was 810 and 820. Well, I don't know the other facts about these trains. But I hope you all enjoy these videos. That was awesome. I discovered a new spot walking down the train tracks from FEC Boulevard here in Port St. John. In case there's anybody's wondering where I'm at, I'm in between FEC Boulevard and Camp Road here in Brevard County. And I've lived here my whole life, and there's a freaking junkyard of cars in here in this neighborhood. Right in here in Port St. John. Never knew it existed. You can kind of see it through the trees. Huge junkyard. Or scrapyard for cars. Go pull your parts. But check out these gondolas. These guys been doing work on their rails around here. It's good to see because some of them need to be done. Yeah, pretty cool area, hey? It's a double main. It's a double main past FEC. I think till it goes into Titusville is when it singles out. And then it'll just single out up here before it hits Canaveral Groves Boulevard. That's on my street. But yeah, cool area. I feel like I'm in the middle of the nowhere. Even though US 1 is literally 2 minutes down that street back there. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool place. Got those gondola carts and some Herzog, if I'm saying it right. Well, yeah, hope you all enjoy the videos. Hope you all enjoy them. All right, everybody. Peace out. As always, I'll catch you on the next exciting video I upload. And it's always not going to be trains. I just like trains though. I like filming them, but plans are coming with more content. Hopefully. I don't want to say too much and it not work out. I can ruin that. Alright, peace out.